Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my top favorites of mascaras which are available in. So mascaras is that one thing which I cannot leave the house without, even though I'm not wearing much of makeup. Even though I'm just wearing a BB cream or just a powder, I will make sure that I use mascara because it actually opens up your eyes and makes you more awake, and it makes you look like you're more awake and not sleepy. And I just love it. It makes your lashes more voluminous and girly. So mascaras is one of my favorite products to use in makeup. So these mascaras which I'm going to share with you is my personal favorites, and it is quite cheap. And if you're on a budget or if you are in college or school, you can actually afford it. So my top 5 favorites are, the first one is from the brand Maybelline. It's their Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is the waterproof one. I also have the Easy Wash. If it's for an everyday use, I usually use the Easy Wash one because that is much more easier to wash off. Because if you're using the waterproof one, you have to use an oil-based makeup remover, and it's a task getting this out. So I prefer the washable ones as to waterproof one, but I also have the waterproof one in case I'm going for a long day. So if I use the waterproof one if I'm traveling and if I'm out for long meetings, and if I don't get time to reapply my mascara, so I also have the waterproof one just in case. So this is the first one, which is my favorite. I've been using it since college and it's quite affordable. It's just $3.75 for this one. And I guess the washable one is little more less costly. So this is how the wand looks like. The wand is very fluffy, and it actually gives a lot of volume to your lashes. That's what it says, the Colossal Volume Express. So it gives a lot of volume to your lashes. If you have thin lashes and if you're looking for volumizing your lashes, this is a good option. So my second favorite is again from the same brand. It's the Falsies Volume Express Waterproof Mascara again. I have it in the washable and the waterproof variant. So this is my second favorite, and I really love the wand of it. It's a nice curvy wand, so it allows you to actually get into the curves of your lashes, and it gives a nice amount of volume to your lashes. I really love this one as it makes my lashes more wide, and it actually doesn't clump. There are some mascaras which clumps your lash. I personally love that clumpy spidery eyelashes kind of a look. Because I am a mascara junkie, I really love that kind of a look. So this one doesn't do that. If you guys are looking for a mascara which separates your lashes and volumizes, this is a very good option. This also retails for around 300-350, that range. All the mascaras which I'm showing to you is below 500, so it's very affordable, and it's amazing. So the next mascara is from the brand Lakme. It's their iconic curling mascara. This is how it looks like. Again, it's got a nice curvy wand to it, which makes your lashes, which gets into the corners of your lashes. And if you're looking for an everyday mascara which gives nice amount of length and which separates your lashes and gives good volume, you can actually go for this. Again, I'm not too sure of the price. It's below 500. I will list it in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. So this one is a good option for an everyday mascara. It's washable, so it nicely curls your lashes, and it's a very good option. And the last mascara is one of my favorite mascara. Actually mentioned it in most of my favorites. This is one of the best mascara I've ever used. It's the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, and actually it does what it claims. It actually gives you a nice falsies kind of an effect. and it's also very cheap. It retails for around $4.49. I have around 2 to 3 backups of this mascara. I'm in love with it. So again, you can find it online, or you can find it in Essence counters if it's there near your place. So these are mascaras which I'm totally loving. Though L'Oreal is one of my favorite brands for makeup, I don't have any mascaras from their brand, though I've heard a lot of good things about the mascaras from their brand. I'm yet to try out, but I will be trying it out soon. So these are the mascaras which I own and I've personally used, and I've been loving it for years. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you guys. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and I'm loving your comments. So please do comment what are your favorite mascaras, like what do you use, and if you guys want me to try out a mascara which is really good, please do suggest me some good mascaras as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.